Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G67 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's open the Play Store. So just let me quickly go through this verification. And here we've got the Play Store. Now we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account, and then tap on My Apps and Games. Here, let's go to Updates Available, which is right here. And as you can see, here we've got the list of all updates pending, and now it's up to you. You can either update all of them with only one click by tapping on this option, or you can go through the list and tap on Update next to the specific app you'd like to update, and your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.